Hey, we're back here in the shop at Hemmings Garage and we're working on our Mustang, finishing up some details. This was our Fox rehab project. Again, those videos are up on the Hemmings YouTube channel if you haven't seen them yet. And we're working on some detail items that involve specialty tools. And you guys may have noticed we've been outfitted completely by Summit Racing. Today, we're going to be checking on some of the fittings and stuff like that that we did when we installed our supercharger. We also upgraded the brake system with some fresh parts, so we had the fluid lines open. We need to make sure those fittings are all tight. If you're going to be working on lines, anything like brake fittings or fuel line fittings or anything, you really need to have a good set of flare nut wrenches. You guys know who've worked on cars, if you try to take a regular open-end wrench and use it on a flare nut, you're probably going to round it off. So every toolbox should have a set of flare nut wrenches. We have a set here that's metric. We've also, of course, got a standard set. These come in handy all the time, and you want to get a decent set. These are from Sunex. You want to make sure they fit nice. I know if you're ordering stuff online, it's kind of hard to know that, but Sunex is a recognized brand, and when they came out of the box, we were pleased to find that they do fit nice and snug so that we don't round anything off. These have combination sets, so there's this one is a 13 and a 14. There's other sets in there that are handy where there's a flare nut on one end and an open end on the other. It allows you to crack it with the flare nut and then run it out with the regular open end. We also, as I said, have the standard set, and we even have a set of crow's feet flare nut wrenches. That's also very handy to have, especially on newer vehicles where you get into ABS units and other places where you can't quite swing a wrench. The crow's feet really work well with a ratchet and a tight space.